How to publish your ads on Wix by paste the Google AdSense code in Wix website. So right here in your Wix dashboard, you want to click on your edit sites right here at the top right of your screen. And right here on your left, you want to click on add elements by click on this plus button. And then you want to go to embed code, click on it. And then click on embed HTML, click the plus button. And after that, this section will appear and you want to go to copy paste your Google AdSense code right here. So you want to go to your Google AdSense and then copy the link. Go back to your Wix and then paste the code here. And then click on update. From here, your ads will be published in your Wix website. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.